Hi, I'm Liz Egner with the Egner Group at RE/MAX of Reading, and I'm here with Jeff Weber, and he's going to explain some things to us about credit repair. When the economy got bad and things happen, bad things happen to good people. It causes job loss, divorce, you get sick, but not to despair, things can get better, and Jeff's going to share a little bit about where he is and what he can do for us.
Okay, yes, what I wanted to talk about was, as Liz said, bad things happen to good people. There are a lot of people who've had difficulties in the past, and if you're one of those people, you're not alone. But there is hope. You can repair your credit, you can improve your credit score, and you can get yourself in a position to purchase a home. The thing to understand is that kind of repairs that you have to make are not instantaneous. It takes time. There's a process that's involved. And one of the things that's really important is to understand that process can take a year or even 2 years, depending upon how bad your credit is. Sometimes things can be repaired very quickly, and within a few months you may be able to qualify to buy a home. So the first thing to generally do is to seek the guidance of a professional. Somebody like Liz can point you in the right direction of somebody who can help you, or contact somebody like me with a mortgage lender. Do be careful, because there are some credit repair companies out there. Some are good, some are bad, so be cautious what you do. The ones who want you to pay a lot of money up front, sometimes take care of that may not be the best thing. And the next step really is to find out where you stand. You need to get a copy of your credit report, but it's important not to allow your credit to be indiscriminately pulled. There are a lot of lenders who want to pull your credit right away, and that's not always the best thing for you. You can actually pull your own credit report one time a year free of charge at annualcreditreport.com. And you can also pull your own credit score without having any impact on your credit by going to any of the credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian. That way you can find out where your credit score stands, and you can also see what things are right or wrong on your credit. So your goals then are to correct any errors that are on your credit report once you have that in your possession, update any accounts that are not current, pay off any collections, charge-offs, judgments, repossessions, anything of that sort. You need to establish new credit, and then at that point you need to pay everything on time. Establishing new credit is a thing that's hard for a lot of people. People are very afraid of getting credit cards or setting up new accounts, but that's something that you have to do so that you're showing a positive to offset whatever negatives. So those are the steps that generally you're going to take, and if you need guidance or help with accomplishing this, it's the sort of thing where a phone call to somebody like Liz can go a long way.
And where can they find you?
And they can find me at Residential Mortgage Services in West Lawn, PA.
Okay, so Jeff is a loan officer. He's, in addition to other skills, he's very patient and very happy to help people do better. So we wish you good luck, and if you have bad credit, don't worry, it can get good again. So I'm Liz Egner with RE/MAX of Reading, and Jeff is with?
Residential Mortgage Services.
Okay, give us a call. Thanks.
Bye-bye.